Roof leak or hail damage? Don't stress. MAK Roofing and Construction is a full-service contractor specializing in insurance claims and repairs with more than 10 years experience. Voted #1 roofing company in El Paso and the preferred contractor for most insurance companies. Call us for a free inspection. Ever feel like it's too hot or too cold in your home or business? Change your old insulation to spray foam insulation that will last a lifetime. Perfect for flat roofs with 10 years guarantee, trailers, cold or warm garages, businesses, and home interiors. Call MAK Roofing and Construction for a free inspection today at 915-691-0532.